Overview of popular machine learning algorithms, linear and logistic regression, decision trees, random forest, k-means, etc. There are many different machine learning algorithms available, and each one is best suited for different types of problems. Some of the most popular machine learning algorithms include linear regression. It is a supervised learning algorithm that is used for predictive modeling. It is used to model the relationship between a dependent variable, output, and one or more independent variables, inputs. Linear regression finds the line of best fit through the data points. Logistic regression. It is a supervised learning algorithm that is used for classification problems. It is used to model the probability of a certain class or event occurring, given a set of input variables. Decision trees. It is a type of supervised learning algorithm that is used for both classification and regression problems. They are a tree-based model that makes predictions based on a series of decisions. Each decision is based on the value of a feature in the input data. Random forest. It is an ensemble method that uses multiple decision trees to make predictions. It is used for both classification and regression problems. Random forest improves the performance and reduces the overfitting of a single decision tree. K-means. It is an unsupervised learning algorithm that is used for clustering problems. It is used to group similar data points together into clusters. The algorithm starts by randomly initializing k-centroids, and then iteratively assigns each data point to the nearest centroid and readjusts the position of the centroids. Support vector machines. SVMS is a supervised learning algorithm that is used for classification problems. It is used to find the best boundary, or hyperplane, that separates the data into different classes. Gradient boosting. It is an ensemble method that combines multiple weak models to create a strong model. It is used for both classification and regression problems. It is a type of boosting algorithm where it iteratively improves the performance of the model by adding new models that correct the mistakes of previous models. Neural networks. Neural networks are a type of supervised learning algorithm that are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. They are used for a wide range of problems, including image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive modeling. Neural networks consist of layers of interconnected nodes, or neurons, that process and transmit information. Naive Bayes. It is a supervised learning algorithm that is used for classification problems. It is based on the Bayes theorem and assumes that all features in the input data are independent of each other. It is often used in text classification and spam filtering. Principal component analysis. PCA is an unsupervised learning algorithm that is used for dimensionality reduction. It is used to reduce the number of features in the input data by finding the most important directions, or principal components, in the data. AdaBoost. It is an ensemble method that combines multiple weak models to create a strong model. It is used for both classification and regression problems. It works by training multiple models on different subsets of the data, and then combining the predictions of the models to make a final prediction. scikit-learn. It is an optimized implementation of gradient boosting algorithm. It is used for both classification and regression problems.
The main difference between scikit and other gradient boosting algorithm is that scikit uses a more regularized model formalization to control for fitting, which gives it better performance. These are just a few examples of the many machine learning algorithms. Thank you.